Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing how you can get a cheaper price on any item on Temu, okay? Any item at all. Let's assume you want a cup or anything at all you want. I'm just going to use any random item to show us what I mean, okay? Let's check this cute baby cap. Let's say this is what you want, all right? And from here we can see that this is going for €2.89. Let me check if I can get a cheaper price, from another seller with good reviews. It's not just about getting cheaper prices. You need to be sure that what you're buying is of good quality, okay? Of course, you need to go through the reviews. You need to go through the reviews and look at the pictures in the reviews. If you love what you're seeing, then and you like the price, you're okay with the price, you don't mind, then add it to your cart and make your payments, okay? But if not, you still want to, maybe you have some time and you just want to check other sellers. All you need to do is this: get to the picture, click on the picture. This icon with a camera and a search icon together will pop up. Click on the picture, it comes up, camera and the search icon. Click on it, and it's going to bring other similar, and it's going to show you other similar items with different prices from different sellers, okay? Of course, there are so many sellers on Temu with different prices. Some you might even see way higher prices than what you saw initially. So what we saw earlier was €2 and some cents, okay? Here I'm seeing higher prices. I'm seeing €4, I'm seeing 3, I've seen one of 2, but it's still higher. The cents is higher. So just take your time and go through everything that pops up here. So far, I'm seeing higher prices. Most times the first search results you see when you search for an item on Temu is actually the cheapest price of that item. Most times, not all the time. So if you do this, you might see a lower price, you might be lucky, and then you might see, higher prices. Now, I've seen something lower at €1, but it's not exactly the same design, and I don't think I like this. And it's not even a lot of items here that has been sold. So no, I don't like this. Let's use another example. Okay, let's do this with another example. Let's do this. For instance, I click on the picture and I click on this icon, and the previous price was at €1, and here I'm having yes, I've seen a cheaper price, €1.23. Let's see if I'll see one that is not even up to €1. This one is 89, but it's not exactly the same design. And that's just it. I hope by now you understand what I'm trying to show you. So whatever thing it is you're searching on Temu, just do what I've shown you on screen now, and you will see other sellers and other prices. Please and please do not forget to read the reviews. Look at the pictures in the reviews. Read the reviews and the product details. If you don't know where to get the product details, I'll show you now. Just scroll down. Scroll down after the reviews, you would see the company name, and then you will see product details. From there, you will see the measurements and everything, and you can even go further to click on the pictures. Sometimes they also put measurements on the picture so that you know exactly what you're buying, okay? Very important on Temu. You need to read your product reviews. This is the way you can get a cheaper price on any item at all to buy on Temu. Hope you've gotten value from this video. And if you've watched to this point, thank you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer you, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.